Hey guys, it's first time YouTube. Gonna work on some new mods going on. We got this new LEDs trim lights. Gonna hook up today. Been working on it. Been thinking about putting them on for a while. Finally, it's nice outside here at the part of North Carolina. The trim is gonna go around the door panel here, around the sides, through the dashboard in the middle, console to the middle console. Hopefully it comes out really good. To the other door panel. Sorry about the gun, but you know we always gotta be safe around here. Joke. Anyways, but yeah, this is the before. Later on, I'm gonna be showing you after. Also, from the guys of where is it from Louisville Lab, finally got my new symbol badges to go on the side. Gonna work on them today. My Thundercat 392. They're also working on the new badge to go on the grill and the hood latch soon. So I'll be posting on that. So light trim, inside trim. Then we're gonna replace the 392 on the side. So let's get working.